Hey guys, so today I want to talk to you about dropshipping fulfillment centers. I want to talk to you about what they are, how to use them, and generally just give you a very simple overview about how we run our dropshipping businesses and give you some advice. My name is Nils Older. If you're new to this channel, I've been living in China now since 2013, and we're running a couple of things here on the ground in China. Meaning we have a sourcing company where we have people buy products, we have our own e-commerce businesses, and we do e-commerce education where we help you with your e-commerce journey and basically, get you to the next level. So make sure to subscribe to this video because I actually have cool things coming. I'm actually going to take you into a Chinese fulfillment center, show you the logistics behind it, show you how your products are treated, show you how everything is stored, show you how everything works from kind of the inside, introduce you to some of the people that work there, and all of that kind of stuff. So definitely make sure to like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss out on that. Now, I want to talk to you about dropshipping fulfillment centers. What are they and how do they work? And why would you need one, or do you need one? And the way that we always start our businesses is dropshipping. And dropshipping has definitely downsides, but it's something that we always start with to kind of test the markets and see if our products work and if we can sell them and all of that kind of stuff. And we don't want to invest anything in inventory. That is why we always choose dropshipping to start with. What that means basically is just that we are not buying in bulk. So instead of buying 1,000 pieces or 100 pieces, or even 10 pieces of a product, we just buy, we don't buy anything. So when we find a customer, right, a customer comes to our shop, so that's what we do. We build the shop, we take care of the marketing, we build the shop. A customer comes to the shop, he buys or she buys. And then our supplier that we find on AliExpress, however, they directly send out one product, one by one, right? So every order that is placed, our supplier is directly sending out those products to the end customer, right? That's how generally dropshipping works. Now, dropshipping fulfillment centers for us always come in at the next step, right? So let's say you found a product that works. You are dropshipping already. You are selling already. And then you realize that, hey, I like to grab a little bit more control about my business, right? Because if you don't own the inventory, the good side on that obviously is that you don't have to put any money up front, right? The downside to that though is you don't control the stock, right? So if your supplier runs out of stock, you're screwed. If your supplier changes quality, you're screwed. If your supplier chooses to change the whole product and ship something else that they bought from somewhere else as well, you're screwed, right? So if your supplier starts messing up with your inventory, basically that can kill your business. And the way that we handle that without buying 1,000 units or buying enough units for 2-3 months of inventory and shipping them over to the US or to the country where you're selling, how we do it is that we leverage dropshipping fulfillment centers. Meaning, every week now we place a little order, we buy some products, and we ship them into a fulfillment center in China, right? And then the fulfillment center stores the products. We place orders every week. The fulfillment center stores the product, and then every time an order is placed, the fulfillment center sends that out, right? So instead of your AliExpress supplier handling that, there's a professional fulfillment center actually doing the job. The benefit on that is that it's quicker, right? Because your Alibaba supplier might take, or AliExpress supplier, they might take some time, right? So they might take a day, they might take 2 days or 3 days, or they're out of stock, so they have to reorder. And also, the fulfillment center gets a lot better shipping quotes, right? So because the fulfillment center is sending out so many products and so much stuff, the shipping prices you get are much lower. And then also because you buy in bulk now, your product price is lower. So you get a lower price, you get more control over your stock because you own this now. You're not gonna get, like your AliExpress supplier isn't gonna mess with that. You hold the stock. You ship it to the fulfillment center. They take care of it for you, right? So with all of these advantages, and it's still cash flow friendly because you don't have to buy products that need to last for the time of, long production time and shipping it by sea to your country so that you don't run out of stock. So every week you can just replenish inventory. It's very cash flow friendly. And this is basically what you can do. We're looking at shipping times right now for about 2 weeks to America. We're looking for a little less to Europe, but this is all the times how, these are the shipping times we're getting at these times. When pre-COVID and post-COVID, we'll be getting a week. Okay, so we used to ship things at least to Europe within like 6 days or so. So now things are just a little bit slower, but also COVID, I think, is a great excuse, because now we can just tell everyone, oh, I'm so sorry, your shipment is delayed because of COVID. Now we have a little bit more of wiggle room and a little bit more of an excuse. Also, speaking about fulfillment centers, we are coincidentally we are creating our own fulfillment center, and we created that already. We just have a wait list. So if you want to get on the wait list, if you want to be one of the first ones that we take on as customers for our own fulfillment center that I own, that I control, let me know, because we are here anyway in China. We are sourcing products anyway. We are shipping a ton of products anyway. So now we just open a storage. We hired a couple of people. We're training them right now. We are fulfilling our own orders already. So our own products, we're using our own fulfillment center already. We are about to open this to the public. So if you're one of the people who wants to do that, down in the description, there's my email. Just shoot me an email address. We'll put you on the wait list. We will jump on a call with you to answer all of your questions. Also, if you have questions, just post them in the comments below. I can just answer them there as well. And I hope that that's helpful to you, because, like I say, it's so good for cash flow, right? Because you don't have to invest so much money up front. You just invest a little bit, get some products over, keep the control, and I think it's one of the best models you can use and leverage. And also, we had a look around and for our own business, right? So we looked around for our own business, and we just didn't find any fulfillment center that can do the job at the price that we wanted, because I think everyone was making it really complicated, and you had to go through a whole application, and like and you had so many little fees. So we're just going to simplify everything. If you want to be on the wait list, make sure to send me an email. The link is just down below in the description. Again, make sure that you subscribe to this video if you want to see the behind the curtains video, where I actually take you into our warehouse, where I introduce you to our staff, and where I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes on how all of that stuff is working. I wish you a great day. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Cheers.